Hey guys, Adam from Dents-B-Gone. Just thought I'd show you this repair we're about to take on. It's a nasty bit of damage. It's a Holden SV6. Customer's come back to his car, found it looking like this while it was parked at Casuarina. So no surprises there. But anyway, there is a little bit of scuffing here, but I'm hoping that'll all polish out. We can get it looking like new for him. So I'll show you what it looks like now, then I'll bring you back in at the end of the repair and show you what it looks like after. Cheers guys.